All right, Jeff, we're in a neighborhood that I just love it so much that I live here.
Yeah.
Awesome.
If you want to live in a neighborhood with the celebrity, the Mark Clem, Summerville royalty, you could be the same neighborhood as Mark. Nothing else really. Let's be done. Come see the house.
So today we're in the Oaks at Cane Bay Plantation. It's kind of right in the middle of Cane Bay. So I like that. I can golf cart up to all the stuff up front, the Publix, Chick-fil-A, Starbucks. There's gas stations up there. There's 2 different Mexican restaurants. Tons of stuff to do as far as retail up there and all that. And then the YMCA is only a mile from here. So if you want like the indoor pool, the fitness center, all of that. This neighborhood does have a really nice outdoor pool. It's not huge, but nice outdoor pool on a pond setting. There's some swings over there. There's a fire pit. There's a little playground as well. So
and Mark Clem.
And Mark Clem, that's right.
Now this neighborhood, for those that don't know a ton about Cane Bay, obviously it's a fantastic neighborhood, but if you have kiddos, not all kids actually go to the Cane Bay schools.
That's right. This one is zoned for the Cane Bay schools. Now, there is a wait list in the elementary in the middle, I think, right now.
Okay.
So once you get through the wait list, then you're in these schools.
Okay.
Now, of course, that can always change.
Yeah.
It can always change.
For sure. So size, bedrooms, tell me about it.
Yeah, so this one is 3rd smallest in the neighborhood.
Okay.
But that's 2,300 square feet.
Okay.
4 bedrooms. Master is up in this one. Brand new floors in this about a year ago.
Yeah.
New roof as well because it had a 3-tab roof.
Okay.
They put on a new roof, so it's the
architectural.
Architectural.
Yeah, that's the
roof.
one you want. That's the one that lasts a little longer.
The good one.
Here's I have a real problem with this house. This house is going to cause me issues because they've got this curbcrete here. And my wife, Andrea, she said she wanted curbcrete at the house. And then I looked at how much it costs and I kind of changed the subject and then she forgot about it, but then she remembered and she brought it up again. So then I had to deny it multiple times. Now, I'm not saying like I'm the ruler of the house and I said no, but she's going to see this house and see the curbcrete and I'm going to get a little attitude about it.
So we need not to tag her in the video.
Yes, she cannot know we're selling this house.
And block her when we put it out to the whole world.
Yes.
Okay.
Let's go on. Let's go inside and see it. So clearly, like move-in ready house. This one's ready to go, and I really love what they did up back here. This was all extra. They added this space.
Yeah, so you love the ceiling fans. We got 3 of them here.
Yeah.
Right in this space. It really brings the outside or the inside out, extends your home.
Yeah.
Beautiful, and room for a pool too if you wanted to do a pool.
You don't need a pool here.
What do you
Mark lives in the neighborhood. He's got a gorgeous pool at his house. With every sale of house this year in this neighborhood, you have an open invitation 24/7 to go to Mark's house and go swimming at his place.
No, that is not true.
That is not
There's
true.
a pool in the neighborhood.
There's a pool in the neighborhood. So you
I
don't
might
have to
invite you over though.
You might. Listen, if you're nice, you might get invited over.
Yeah,
and he's a great cook.
Oh yeah. We got the Blackstone.
Yeah.
We'll cook up some smash burgers.
It's been a little while since I've been invited over.
Yeah.
I just want to pay attention to that.
Oh, all right.
I feel like invitation is coming. It should be coming soon.
It's summertime. Of course it is.
Summertime.
South Carolina living right here, baby.
So if you want information on this, Mark, what do they do?
Yeah, so down in the description, click on the link. Let's book a Zoom call. We'll tell you all about it. If you want to see it, of course, schedule some time with your realtor or give us a call, and we'll show it to you as well.
Yeah. Thanks for watching. See y'all.
See ya.